Hello and welcome to Harmony Horizon with Nas. As an Indian national and current postdoctoral fellow at National Taipei University of Technology in Taiwan, I am excited to share my experiences and guidance with you regarding the Taiwan visa process for student, postdoc, employee and visitors so that you can process your visa smoothly and without hassle. As the spring semester is starting in February 2024, many students are coming to pursue their Bachelor, Master's and Ph.D. degree. Taiwan is a welcoming country for various group of students pursuing various educational degrees, recognizing the timely needs. Today's video is dedicated to demystify the Taiwan visa process, a valuable resource for many people. For some students, this might be their first traveling to a new country, and for those whose families will accompany them, this guide aims to streamline your journey. I have divided my video into 3 segments. In first segment, I will discuss the visa process for bachelor's, master's and PhD students. In the second segment, I will cover for postdoctoral fellows and employees. And in third segment, I will explain the visitor visa process. So let's begin with first segment, which covers visa application for student, like what document do you need to prepare for your visa applications. I'll go over each document one by one and also display the list on my video screen as well as in my description box. So let's start with first segment. The first document that you need is your invitation letter. Like you have to secure this document from your Taiwanese institute. Second one is your passport. Like you have to ensure that your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended date of entry into Taiwan. And third is your passport size photo. You need to have 2 white background color photos. Size is 35 into 45 mm with 80% of face coverage. And fourth one is your bank statement. You have to provide the last 3 month bank statement duly signed and sealed with your banker, showing a minimum of 1.5 lakh. More is better, you can understand. The fifth one is your degree attestation. Your final degree certificate must be attested by the State Ministry of Human Resource Development, like MHRD. Subsequently, it needs to be attested by Ministry of External Affairs, MEA, and finally by the Taiwan Embassy. It is important to note that in some states such as West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, this process can take approximately 25 to 30 days. Therefore, you should prioritize this task to avoid any delay. Sixth one is English proficiency proof. Different institutes have varying requirements for English proficiency, and it is advisable to check their specific score or qualifying exam criteria as outlined in their admission voucher. However, some institutes offer a waiver for this requirement if your most recent degree was taught entirely in English. In such cases, you need to obtain a certificate from your previous institute affirming that this program was conducted solely in English. The seventh is medical test. Individuals such as student or dependent, those who are applying for visa, are required to undergo a medical examination at a hospital approved by Taiwan Embassy as per the new regulation implemented in October 2023. The medical record must first be verified by the state representative. Following this, they need to be attested by Ministry of External Affairs of India, then by Taiwan Embassy. The duration of this process typically ranging from 7 to 10 days depending on the state where the medical examination is conducted. Eighth one is your final visa application. You can apply through an agent or directly at the visa offices in Delhi or Chennai. The addresses of these offices I will mention in my description box. For Taiwan, this visa process typically takes 2 to 3 working days. Now I am going to discuss about the second segment for postdocs and employees. First, you need invitation letter and work permit from your institute or employer in Taiwan. Second, employment contract in both Chinese and English. English one is mandatory. Third is NOC from your employer if you are already employed, or if you are a business person, you need to provide some proof. Fourth is salary slip, like last 3 months salary slip if you are employed. And fifth is releasing letter from your organization. Date must be written in your letter. Sixth one is income tax return, like you must have to show your last 3-year income tax return. And seventh one is your office ID card. For those applying for a dependent visa to accompany a candidate, if the accompanying person is currently employed, it is mandatory to obtain a no objection certificate NOC from their employer. This certificate is essential for the visa processing procedure. The passport validity, passport size photo, medical test, bank statement and visa application process will be the same as in the first segment. Now the last segment for visitors. Those who want to visit Taiwan for vacation or for tourism, here's what you need. Like passport validity, photo, bank statement are similar as for student, employment document which include NOC, salary slip, leave letter from your organization. Now if you traveled previously to some countries like US, UK, Australia or in Europe, you might be eligible for an on-arrival visa. Detail and application link I will provide in my description box. Also, you need to show your return ticket and stay booking at the time of your airport check-in. For visitor, what is the stay duration? Like visitors can typically stay for 15 to 18 working days with extension available through immigration office. Also, you have to give a cover letter like why you want to visit Taiwan or what you will do there, and you have to write your provided document list, and this cover letter is mandatory. Finally, while checking in airport, for all you have to show your stay plan or booking. It might be a hotel, dorm, Airbnb or any other accommodation. And now finally, thank you all for watching me for such a long time. I hope this video will simplify your Taiwan visa process. If you have any queries, feel free to comment me or email me at nasima.kyf@gmail.com. Also, I will mention my email ID in my description box. I can read, write and speak in Bengali, Hindi and English, so you feel free to reach out in any of these languages. Looking forward to assisting you on your journey to Taiwan. Until next time, goodbye from Harmony Horizon with Nas.